New at 5, making a difference in healthcare. A pharmacy student from UToledo created a tool to help people breathe easier using a common household item.
13 Action News reporter Brenna Nye tonight telling us what he used and how.
Andrew Fritz is a third-year pharmacy student at UToledo. During a medical mission trip to Guatemala last December, he and his team had realized they had not brought any spacers, which are devices that make using an inhaler easier and more effective.
When that came through, there were some Coke bottles on the table, and I had already some thoughts going along. And I looked at Andrew and said, "So, what do you think we could do to make a spacer?" Trying to get him to think and engage in how to think outside the box of things that we probably don't have to think about here in the U.S.
The two of them sprung into action and created a spacer out of 2 small Coke bottles that was used by a young child.
I saw Dr. Howard's eyes kind of divert to some Coke bottles that were sitting on the table, and we kind of were just looking at each other, and we were like, okay, let's do this.
Andrew showed me how to make one using only the bottles, duct tape, and some scissors.
You make an incision right here at the bottom. Great.
Okay, and then we do it on this side, right?
This is the idea. You just put them together to make the plastic a bit more malleable. Perfect.
Oh, cool.
Just like that. Fits in. And that should be good. You just cut. And we try to line it up so it's flush, like all the way across. So you kind of try to aim it in. Patient has their inhaler, or their spacer. So just like that. Good to use.
Well, I think when we started this process, I just saw sometimes it's like this is one of the benefits of being a faculty member here at the UT. You see that light bulb go on in the student's head, and I saw that happen. His eyes kind of had a little bit of glowiness, or I have an idea.
It really puts some great value to the education that we're getting, because you sit in the classroom and you learn all this great information, and then it just seems like, okay, I might use this, I might not. But then to actually get out in the real world and apply it all, it's fantastic. And it really is a testament to everything Toledo's doing in their pharmacy program.
In Toledo, Brenna Nye, 13 Action News.
Amazing work, Andrew, right? Brilliance on the UToledo campus. That's awesome.